Hello guys, welcome to my new video. Today I have brought 10 amazing kitchen cooking tools from Amazon that are very necessary for your kitchen and will help you save time, so don't drag the video. Watch the whole video, and if you like the video, subscribe and click the bell icon to get more new videos. So guys, let's start the video. Kitchen tongs. Top quality. Hotech kitchen tongs are constructed with high-quality stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with two sizes, 9-inch and 12-inch. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Easy to store. These kitchen tongs have locking mechanism, pull the ring for lock and push for unlock. Super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it. Space saving. Engineering for safety. Updated new design pattern for the handle. Better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling and any risk of burning your hands. Juicer machines. Easy prep. The wide 4-point feed chute fits whole fruits and veggies, letting you skip the time-consuming prep work. Thoughtful design. The 41-ounce hopper and self-feeding function let you load all your ingredients at once and juice multiple items in minutes. Preserve flavor and nutrients. The low-speed auger, under 75 RPM, preserves nutrients and flavor by minimizing oxidation and heat buildup. Anti-drip spout. The anti-drip spout reduces mess and cleanup, plus you can close it for blending juices without spills. Simple operation. One knob for on-off and reverse makes this juicer easy to use with minimal effort. Quick and easy cleaning. Disassemble in 3 simple steps and use the included brush for quick, hassle-free cleaning. Oil sprayer. Oil control. Our olive oil sprayer delivers a consistent, ultra-fine spray with an advanced fan spray atomizing nozzle to provide precise oil mist for even coverage. One full stroke sprays approximately 1 gram, 0.04 ounce of cooking oil to control your daily intake of calories. Versatile oil sprayer. Works with all types of cooking liquids such as olive oil, avocado oil, soy sauce, wine, canola oil, water, and more. Makes frying, grilling, baking, seasoning, salad dressing, air frying, drizzling, and following calorie-controlled recipes easier. Design. The oil spray bottle, built-in filter system to avoid clogging the nozzle and is leak-proof with an anti-drip trigger. The unique buckle design prevents accidental oil leakage, making it convenient to carry for outdoor activities like BBQs and picnics. Silicone rubber spatula. High quality. 100% made of food-grade silicone material. Non-toxic, lead-free, odorless. Smooth, flexible, thin edges, no scratches, no damage for your pots and pans. Climate pledge friendly. Seamless one-piece design. Seamless one-piece design, compact and sturdy, easy to clean, and non-stick. Soft handle for better grip, noiseless and harmless, perfect for baking, cooking, and mixing, etc. Heat resistant, temperature resistant, no 140 towards no 440 to 315 dembos. The average heat resistance of a typical silicone spatula is between 400 to 600 degrees. Anything less isn't recommended. Also can be as a good gift, quality life, safety first. Wine opener. Rechargeable electric wine bottle opener. Easily remove corks in seconds. Compatible with most wine bottle sizes. Open up to 30 bottles on a single charge. Easy to use. Simply place on top of your wine bottle, press a button, and tada, your wine is open and ready to serve. Small footprint. Saves space. Our electric wine bottle opener is small enough to store discreetly away when not in use. Keep the charging base next to your wine fridge, storage rack, credenza, etc. Makes an amazing present. An elegant color makes our electric wine bottle opener an attractive present, or use it at home, when catering, at banquets, in restaurants, or behind the bar. Non-stick grill pans. Non-stick and easy to clean. The Switzerland Ilag non-stick coating is very effective in preventing anything from sticking to the surface, even with minimal oil, and also makes cleaning a breeze. Just wipe it with a paper towel or rinse it with water. Free of PFOA and PFOS. Sturdy and durable. This grill pan is made of die-cast aluminum, sturdy and no warp. The Bakelite handle features comfortable to grip and stays cool to the touch. Versatile griddle pan. This is a versatile tool to sear, sauté, bake, broil, braise, or fry. You can cook steak, bacon, grilled cheese, chicken breast, and veggies indoor or outdoor, no matter the weather is hot or cold, wet or dry. Good for all cooktops. This grill skillet can be used on gas, electric, induction, and glass or ceramic cooktops. The thick, high magnetic, conductive stainless steel base helps distribute heat evenly and quickly. Perfect grill marks. The raised ribs leave perfect grill marks for a great presentation and keep the fat down in the grooves. The pour spouts on either side of the pan make it easy to drain those excess fats and liquids. Jar vacuum sealer. Suitable for two types of mason jars. The electric mason jar vacuum sealer contains two sizes of mouth seals for your daily use. To get the standard mouth seal jar, simply insert the red arrow on the standard mouth seal converter. Align it with the unlock symbol on the main unit, and then insert it inside the silicone ring in the wide mouth seal area and tighten it clockwise. At this point, the arrow is aligned with the lock symbol, which indicates a successful installation. For all your vacuum sealing needs, includes an electric vacuum sealer containing a wide mouth sealer, a standard mouth seal converter, 5 wide mouth mason jar lids, and 5 regular mouth mason jar lids, and user guide. Our food vacuum sealer kit will help you remove the air from your mason jars and extend the life of your stored food. Easy to use, the cordless vacuum sealer with standard mouth sealer converter kit is suitable for wide mouth and regular mouth mason jars not included. Make sure the electric vacuum sealer is centered and pressed firmly against the lid of the jar. Kitchen shears. All-purpose kitchen scissors. Heavy-duty H super sharp kitchen shears, valued 2-pack in one set, comfort grip handles. Great all-purpose scissors for kitchen, household, home, car, outdoor general use. Great kitchen utensil set for women, men, adults, older kids. Stainless steel sharp blades. High-quality hardened stainless steel blades easily cut through cardboard, twine, food, meat, vegetables, chicken, poultry, fish, herbs, seafood, BBQ, food packing bags, and more. Great as food scissors, meat scissors, cooking scissors, scissors kitchen, cooking shears, poultry scissors, utility scissors, meat cutting scissors. Comfort grip handle, melting pot. Temperature display. No additional thermometer is needed to help control the temperature of the wax. The wax melting machine will display real-time temperature numbers on the monitor, simplifying the candle making process and improving your work efficiency. Sink drain basket. Upgrade superior material. Over the sink colander, made of food-grade Suez 304 stainless steel, durable, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant, with thickened material, bearing up to 450 pounds and not to deformed. Compared to ordinary plastic silicone sink baskets, it has stronger load-bearing capacity and no easy-to-broken, service life of up to 10 years. In addition, it has excellent heat resistance and can be directly heated, more practical.